Work hard.
We're on a little road trip to go get Liam's birthday gift, but we just stopped in at Zaraffa's, and do you know what I brought with me, Lee?
What'd you bring?
My vanilla flavour drops. Because I don't like how much vanilla they put in it at Zaraffa's. I think they put in too much. And then when I ask for half the amount of vanilla, sometimes it's not enough. But now we're in the car and I have to see if I can add these to my coffee without making a huge mess. I'm scared now, I'm scared. What if I drop the flavour drops through the straw?
You just get straight vanilla.
Okay, the cup holder was much smarter idea. Oh, beautiful. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did I spill it on you?
No, the cup holder.
Okay, we've learned that this wasn't the smartest decision. I thought it was so smart. Swag acquired. Big Daddy Deluxe. Who names these? Crazy. It's like 7 p.m. at night and I need to wrap some gifts. Tomorrow is Giorgio's birthday. She's planned a little weekend away. We have an Airbnb booked. So tomorrow's Friday. We're going up to the Airbnb like tomorrow afternoon, and then we're doing a winery tour on Saturday and then coming home Sunday. But I need to wrap her presents and I need to wrap my friend Kate's present because I haven't seen her since her birthday. It was like a couple weeks ago and I'll be seeing her this weekend. So I need to wrap this, which is Kate's gift. She recently got married, so her last name changed. And so I got her some new pajamas from Homebody. I've never ordered anything from there before, but it looks really beautiful. And I just got her new initials embroidered onto the pocket because I thought that would be a nice little detail, so I need to wrap those up. And for George, her final present arrived today, but we were out, so it's at the post office and I need to pick it up tomorrow. And that's like her main gift. But let me show you one of the little like gag gifts that I got her, because when I saw these, I was like, I need to get them for G. Okay, are you guys ready? Look at these socks. You cannot tell me that's not Winston. You can't tell me that. That is Winston. Anyway, so I need to wrap her smaller gifts. I need to wrap Kate's gift, and then I'll wash off my tan before I go to sleep. I just did like a 1 hour tan from Bondi Sands. If I'm being completely honest, it's not my favorite, but I didn't want to sleep in a tan tonight because I kind of hate sleeping in tans, so we're going with it. I didn't have any other like express tans. I do love the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express. That's probably my favorite like quick tan, but I don't have any right now. So anyway, I'm rambling. Let me wrap these gifts. It has been a morning. I left the house at like 7:30 and it is 11:30 and I just got home. We have just been running errands all morning, but it's been good. I'm glad I've gotten pretty much everything checked off my list. Oh my gosh, I just ruined all the lighting, but bear with me for a second. This morning I headed out for breakfast with my mum, which was so nice. I feel like catching up with my mum is literally a therapy session for me. She is the best listener. I do not need to get emotional. What the heck? Why am I crying? That's enough of that. I've honestly just had a pretty rough week mentally, and I didn't even catch up with my mum because I wasn't doing well, but it was just one of those ones where you're like, wow, that was exactly what I needed. Anyway, moving on. Then I went and picked up some donuts, came home, dropped those off. Then I went and picked up a cake for George's birthday, came home, put that in the fridge, and then I just went out to the post office, and if you can see that box in the back, I picked up George's present as well as like some candles and a couple things that I needed. And now I'm home, and like I said, it's 11:30, and then I need to leave my house at about like 1:30, 1:45. I'm gonna go pick up my friend Beck, and we're gonna drive to the Airbnb on the coast to meet up with the rest of the girls. So I have a couple hours at home, so I need to shower, pack, wrap George's gift, and do a little bit of work before the weekend is here. So let's keep ticking off those things on my to-do list. We have a package. I just got some top-ups from My Protein of stuff that we use all the time, and we did actually get a couple new things to try. Oh, I'm so excited to try these. So if you guys know, I have my vanilla flavor drops from My Protein, 0 cal, 0 sugar. I use these in my coffee at the moment, like most morning, either hot coffee or cold coffee, vanilla iced latte or just a vanilla latte, and they are the best. Oh, I think you guys saw them earlier in this vlog anyway. So because I love them so much, I got a couple new flavors to try out. So we have the raspberry flavor, and we also have the chocolate flavor. So I really want to try out the chocolate to make like iced mochas, because at the moment when I make a mocha, I use like a chocolate powder. And sometimes when you make iced coffee drinks, powder isn't as good because it just doesn't dissolve as well. Like it still works, but it's just not quite as good. So I think the chocolate would make a really nice iced mocha. And I kind of want to mix the raspberry with the vanilla to make like an iced vanilla raspberry coffee. Is that disgusting? Potentially. But you can also add these to your oats, to your smoothies, any sort of desserts or drinks or anything that you want. So excited to try some new ones. And then we also got some top-ups of our favorite impact bars. These are the cookies and cream ones. Liam and I are obsessed with these. 20 grams of protein in each. They're just super fudgy and chewy and good, and they have like little bits of cookie in them, and they just taste phenomenal. And then lastly, we have a top up of our vanilla whey protein. Liam and I are both obsessed with this. I think this will probably be our like 4th or 5th time repurchasing it. I need to just bite the bullet and get like the huge like 5 kilo bag or something. But this is the best whey protein I've personally tried, and I just love the vanilla flavor. My other favorites are the vanilla raspberry. So good with your oats, especially if you add frozen berries or fresh berries to your protein oats in the morning. The vanilla raspberry is just so good, and also cookies and cream is so good in your oats as well. And of course, adding cookies and cream into your protein smoothies is amazing. But yeah, we just go through the vanilla so quickly. And then we also decided to try a new one, which is the white chocolate flavor. Liam is white chocolate obsessed. He loves it. So I thought this could be really fun to try, and I'm really interested to see how it differs from vanilla, but that should be so yum. As always, if you guys want to purchase anything from My Protein, you can use a code of RachelC, which I think saves you 35% off, and sometimes a little bit more if they're having an extra sale, which is absolutely incredible. So definitely utilize that if you want to save some money. But I need to hop in the shower, wash my hair, and get myself ready. I also, actually, let me show you a couple things. I just wrapped George's gift, and I don't think I've ever wrapped something this odd in my life. And here is the cake that I got for George as well. Super cute. I picked up these sparklers as well. I'm not sure if George will want to add them or not. I just thought it would be nice for her to have something. And then we also have 2 dozen Krispy Kreme donuts. I asked for a glazed dozen and a mixed dozen, but I didn't ask for specific donuts in the mixed ones. I was just like, oh, just chuck in whatever you think. Yum. So here are the mixed, and I won't show you the glazed because they're just not as pretty. And I'm sure you've all seen them before, but how phenomenal do they look? Good morning, friends. It is Saturday now. Didn't vlog a single thing yesterday afternoon. Got to the Airbnb and we literally all just sat and chatted the whole rest of the day, pretty much. Got Uber Eats for dinner. Phenomenal. We have the ladies.
Hi, hello.
We have Kate and Beth. We're all kind of colour coordinating, which is lovely.
Very unintentional though.
Yeah, literally unintentional. And then the rest of the girls are all spread out around the apartment.
Oh, I feel like that happens.
Birthday girl. Hey.
Hey.
I love.
Do you like?
Outfit of the day.
Winery.
Yeah, I love. Where's it from?
Choco.
Making you like answer all my questions while you're brushing your teeth.
Hello.
We have Taylor over here. We have Lang.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already.
Obviously, I'm home, if you couldn't tell. It's Sunday afternoon. I honestly had such a lovely weekend. It was so fun to see all the girls and just hang out, catch up. It was one of those weekends where you don't like do a whole lot, but it's just so fun to spend some time with friends, you know? I also don't feel like I did the best job of vlogging, but Georgia got heaps of content, so I'm not sure if her vlog will be going up. I'm assuming around the same time as this one, if not a couple days after, so obviously check out hers. I'm sure many of you will anyway, but if you want to see like more of what we got up to, I feel like her camera was out and about for quite a lot of the weekend, so definitely check that out. But I just got my Be Real. Let's take a little pic. Smile, guys. Posted. Be Real is so fun. If you guys don't have Be Real, you need to get onto it. I only have like, I don't know, 7 or 8 people on it probably, but it's just so fun to see what your friends are up to. We're leaving to head off to church in like half an hour, but I do have an Amazon package that I thought would be fun to open together. And it's all very random, but I'll give you guys a little haul. Okay. Why don't I know what this is? I'm gonna open that in a second. No, this is my screen protector. I just got one for my Kindle because I'm scared I'm gonna like scratch it. That. I also got a little clear case for my Kindle. This looks like it's gonna be way too big. I ordered the wrong size, didn't I? Does that mean this is the wrong size? Maybe it's not the wrong size. BRB. But I'm so confused. I swear this is the Kindle that I have. It's too big. Oh, that means that this is probably going to be too big as well. That is the Kindle that I have though. Oh wait, I just remembered what this is. This is an extra charger. I got some extra chargers to keep in our guest bedroom so that if we have guests that come over that forget their chargers, they can use ours, obviously. So I got some Apple ones and I got some Android ones. So no matter what phone people have, they can charge their phone. Guys, I'm just so disappointed in myself that I got the wrong size case. I mean, it was really not expensive, but I just don't want to waste anything, obviously. How did I manage that? What is my Kindle called then? Is there 2 sizes and I just got the wrong size? Because I have a Kindle Paperwhite. Okay, I don't have a Paperwhite. No, I do have a Paperwhite. Guys, what the frick? I guess mine is just a smaller version, which I didn't even realize I had a small version. It is small, but I just thought they were all this size. Oh my gosh. Anyway, moving on. I also got a new bullet journal because mine has run out, like I've used all the pages. This is actually stunning. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't super expensive because some bullet journals can be upwards of like $50, $60. I think this was about $25. The last one I had was really cheap. I think it was like $12 and it was fine, but you could tell that it was cheap. I love the color of this. It's like a sagey blue kind of color and it has silver sprayed edges and that paper actually feels so thick too. And also to go with that, I'm a child. I'm just kidding. But I did buy some new Crayola Super Tips. These are what I used when I was learning how to do calligraphy because they have like kind of a brush tip. You can make them as thin or as thick as you want them to be depending on how much pressure you put on when you're writing, which is really helpful when you're learning how to do calligraphy because if you're using an actual brush pen, it's similar. Not exactly the same, but similar. These are probably easier than a brush pen. Actually, definitely easier than a brush pen, but they're just a great like in-between step. But I also just use them throughout my bullet journal all the time and I've had mine for 3 or 4 years now, and again, love the ones I have, but some of them are just running out. I've probably lost a few colors, so I decided to get some more, and this is a 50 pack, so it comes with so many different colors. Oh, it has a little thing on the back, whereas the last one I had, I think it was maybe like a 20 pack, so I really just have every color under the sun now. I'm so excited about that. And then lastly, I got some new headphones, AirPod kind of vibe. Liam has these in the black and he loves them, and I have not been vibing with my AirPods lately. I have my headphones from JBL, which I absolutely love, but I don't always want to wear huge headphones. And these are like $100 on Amazon. So they're very affordable in comparison to AirPods, which I think are over $300. And they just work really well. Like I said, Liam has them, so I've been able to kind of not trial them, but obviously he wouldn't let me buy them for myself if he thought they were bad. And I just got the white pair instead of black. This is what they look like. There you go. That's what they look like. And obviously the little charging case. Stunning. But that's my haul. Somewhat of a fail, but also very happy with the purchases that weren't a fail. Bless you. Liam and I are going on a little date day today, heading into the city to just do some fun little things. Who really knows? I'll show you my outfit. I'm wearing all black today. This is the fit. Jeans and my puffer is from Princess Polly. I don't even know if it's considered a puffer because it's like corduroy, but it looks like a puffer. And then I'm just wearing a t-shirt from White Fox. I don't have a code for Princess Polly at the moment, but my code for White Fox is always Rach XO. And then of course my high top platform Converse. Let's go. Got home, didn't end up buying any books while we were out. Go me. That bookshop was honestly incredible though. It's called Archives and it's like very close to Queen Street Mall. It's next to Pancake Manor, if you know where that is in Brisbane. But I came home to a new package. I'm impatient, so I already opened it. It's from Princess Polly, but I ordered myself another pair of Archer pants. I'm so excited about these. I genuinely think these will be my most worn pair. I'm leaving for another trip in a couple days and I feel like I'm going to wear these to death. Apart from that trip as well, but they're just the black pair. I have these in white and grey. I also have a beige pair, but they're not the Archer pants. They're just like a slightly different style. And I also got these in a size up. I got them in a size 8 because I want them to be a bit more like slouchy and comfy. And I'm so excited about them. We also got bubble tea. I never used to be a bubble tea girly, but Liam loves it, George loves it, Soph loves it. And hanging out with them, I became a bubble tea girly. This one is the tropical something and it came with star jellies in it, which I've never tried before, and it is so good. And guys, I posted a little like teaser, I guess, on my reading Instagram account, and I have never had so many DMs in my life. I just posted a photo of this book with the eye emojis and I had so many DMs of you guys being like, I'm so excited, blah. Guys, I've already finished it. I started it last night and I finished it this morning. Probably one of the quickest I've ever read a book, and I'm so excited to move on to the other books in this series. If you don't know, this is Throne of Glass by Sarah J Maas, who's also the author of ACOTAR, or the ACOTAR series, and Crescent City. But I have a feeling that I may even end up liking this series more than ACOTAR because it's more young adult from what I've heard, and I kind of froth young adult. I also know that there's a lot of opinions when it comes to the reading order, and I've done my research and I've decided which order I'm going to read them in, and if you don't agree with that, that is so fine, but obviously just do what you want to do. I don't want to like recommend the order that I'm reading them in until I've finished the series and that I can kind of give my recommendation and my like full opinion. So obviously I'll let you guys know how it goes, but so far this was incredible. I want to rate it 5 stars, but I feel like I shouldn't because I've heard that the series just gets like better and better as it goes along. If you've been waiting for a sign to start reading Throne of Glass, this is it. Because this is phenomenal. I'm literally loving it so far. And I think I'm honestly gonna go and start the next book as soon as I can. Like as soon as I have some free time today. But I need to finish editing this vlog, get it up for you guys. Because like I said, I'm leaving for another trip in a few days. So I need to get all my work done before I leave. And so I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was supposed to be a week in my life, but wasn't doing so well at the start of the week. So it ended up being a Thursday to Tuesday vlog. I guess that's almost a weekly vlog, just a very weird weekly vlog, but I'm honestly feeling a lot better now. I'm feeling on top of the world. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog nonetheless. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Goodbye.